Welcome. 10-minute cardio rebounding workout for you today. Let's just get started. We're going to have some fun today. Enjoy the act of movement. Just start with a basic bounce just to get warmed up. We're not going to take ourselves too seriously. We're going to have some fun. Just enjoy the rebounder. Get the heart rate up. Boost our energy, elevate our mood, get the blood flowing, all the good stuff this rebounder has to offer. Oh, just stick with me for the whole 10 minutes. If you need a rest, just come to a nice, simple, basic bounce like this. Recuperate, join back in whenever you're ready. Let's just try to move throughout the entire 10 minutes. Take it in and out just a little bit. We're just getting warm. I really feel like if you were to just do this simple move for 3 minutes, a few times a day, you'd find profound benefits. We're just going to add some stuff to it just to make it interesting, to move dynamically, to build balance and core stability, incredible strength. So much that we can do with this, with just the simplest of bouncing, moving every cell of the body. Seems to be very advantageous. Let's have some fun though. Let's just go side to side. So really need to engage your core here and try to get to the very edges of your rebounder. So it builds that control, really knowing where you are. You stumble, you got to catch yourself in the middle. Brilliant. Every time we land in a different spot, we're working on different muscles to stabilize. We get a couple real perfect bounces where you go exactly where you want to go. Do not let the need for perfection get in the way of progress, though. Okay. Let's go right into a jumping jack. Connect your breath. Move with ease. It's about functional fitness. We've overcomplicated it so much. We don't need hours in the gym. We just need to find ways to physically be active throughout our day. Take the stairs. Take the furthest parking spot away from the door. Little things, they all add up. A couple minutes of jumping jacks. When you're seated at your desk. Hallelujah. Really, oh yeah, just enjoy the bounce. Anytime you can pick up the pace, go more quickly, slow it down, of course. We're all at different levels. Comparison really is the thief of joy. Okay, another jumping jack move, but we're gonna go seal jack. And reach those arms back as far as you can to create some mobility in the upper back. We strengthen our cardiovascular system. Really reach it back. Oh yeah. Feel it in the upper back, shoulders. I'm going to go for about a minute or so with each exercise today. So again, if that's just too much, then just go back to a little bounce until you're ready to come back to it. No pressure. And we are almost down to the next exercise. Okay, here we go. Well, maybe we'll all just take a nice little breather for a second just to bounce. And again, I really do. Just this is amazing. Okay, we're going to come into a mini jog. See if I can get this right away. There. That's it. Swing the arms. Lean back a little bit. And we're just going for a light jog. You can go for a run if you want. I think I'm feeling the light jog today. Head up once you find your place on the rebounder. You got this. And 3, 2, 1. Nice one. Nice one, nice one. Okay, we're going to go around the world. So stay to the edge of your rebounder. Right to the edge, so it has to be really controlled. This is sort of a modified active rest time, except we need to be so controlled, we really need to engage the core, so that you're right to the outside, doing your very best to stay as close to the edge as possible. And let's reverse that. Let's go the other way. Building all these amazing stabilizer muscles with each bounce. Most importantly, we get through with this, our mood will be elevated. Our energy will be boosted. And, okay, right into cross. Cross the legs back and forward over one another. I can get an arm in too. So it's just a nice cross jack. Great move on the ground as well as on the rebounder. Done. Oh, yeah. You got this. Only a few more exercises to go. Yes, is that good? Is that bad? There is no good or bad. Just our thoughts. No matter what it is, we get to choose. I love this exercise. It's the best exercise ever, no matter what. Okay, and bounce it out for a second. Just side to side, a little recovery-ish. We're going to go into a skier. By all means, remember, you need to go faster, faster, or slower. We're moving. It's all that matters. You got it. Stick with it. Ding, ding. All right. A little more challenging. We're just going to come down. A couple bounces. Slow into a squat. Bounce a couple times. Come on down. Long life, strong legs. Bring it down and bounce a couple times. Slow. You got it. 5 more. I think I can. Last one. Yes. Brilliant. For our last movement, we're going to go from the north, south, east, west, north, south, west. Oop. If you get confused, you are not alone. So, north, south, east, west, north, south. There we go. Just, yes, north, south, east, west, north. Get to the edges as far as you can. And if you lose your direction, you are like me, as I've lost it several times here. Recoup, try again, and just keep moving. It's good for the brains too. And let's just come to our nice light bounce. That's it for today. My mood is definitely elevated. Energy, I'm ready to go. Thank you for joining me. Comment, job done. Share your progress. Inspire others. I will see you again very soon. Well done.